With the new iOS 26 update, there are some changes to battery settings on your iPhone. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to optimize your battery settings in iOS 26. Now let's get started. To optimize the battery life of your iPhone in iOS 26, open your settings and select Battery. At the top, you'll notice a new section that indicates how much battery charge remains on your iPhone, when you last charged it, and to what percentage. When charging your iPhone, this window will display the current battery charge percentage and estimate how long it will take for your device to charge to 80% or 100%. It will also warn you if the charger you're using is a slow charger. Your iPhone will charge faster when using a higher wattage charger or a magsafe wireless charger. Under Daily Usage, you can see a weekly view of your battery usage averages across the days of the week. Your iPhone will also let you know if you're using a similar amount of battery today as you usually do by the current time of day. Scroll down a little more to see which apps and activities have used the most battery today. At the bottom, you'll find the usual battery settings where you can choose if you want to display your current battery percentage at the top and toggle low power mode on or off. You can also see information about your battery health. If you tap Charging, you can choose a charging limit that you'd like to set for your iPhone between 80 to 100%, or enable optimized battery charging so your iPhone won't charge to 100% until the time you typically unplug and use it. This can prolong the lifespan of your iPhone's battery by minimizing the amount of time it stays plugged in while fully charged. You may also see suggestions for changes you can make to your settings to further optimize your battery health. Tap these to make the suggested changes. That's all it takes to optimize your battery settings in iOS 26. Want to learn about more new features offered in this iPhone update? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.